Jai Shri Ram. Today we're going to see the second half of Sloka 11 and Sloka 12 from the ninth Sarga of the Bala Khanda. The sloka goes like this. Ityuktaste tato rajnya sarve brahmana sattamaha vakshyanti te mahipalam brahmana veda paragaha vibandaka sutam rajan sarvopayairihanaya. This sloka means, thus addressed by the king, all those foremost among the Brahmanas who were learned in the Vedas spoke to the king, saying, O king, by every possible means, bring here the son of Vibhandaka, who is none other than Rishyasringa. The word by word meaning goes like this. Tataha, then, sarve, all, te, those, Brahmana Sattamaha, best of Brahmanas, Uktaha, having been addressed, Iti, thus, Rajna, by the king, Te, those, Brahmanaha, the Brahmins, Veda Paragaha, who are well versed in the Vedas, Vakshyanti, advised or said, Mahipalam, the king Romapada here, Rajan, O king, Anaya, bring Vibhandaka Sutam, son of Vibhandaka, who is Rishyasringa, Iha, here, Sarvopayehi, by any means possible. The sloka again, Iti Uktva Te Tato Rajna Sarve Brahmana Sattamaha Vakshyanti Te Mahipalam Brahmana Veda Paragaha Vibhandaka Sutam Rajan Sarva Upayaihi Iha Anaya. Jai Shri Ram.